Have you ever listened to a song that made your whole day better? Have you ever felt happy, calm, or excited just because of music? Music is a big part of our lives, and today we are going to talk about how to speak about music in simple and easy English. Welcome to Word Journey. In this lesson, we will learn useful sentences, easy words, and common expressions that you can use when you talk about music. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll be able to talk about your favorite songs, singers, and music styles with confidence. Main content. 1. Talking about what music you like. When someone asks you what kind of music you like, you can answer in simple English. You can say, I like soft music. I like fast music. I like calm music. I enjoy listening to pop music. I enjoy listening to classical music. I enjoy listening to jazz music. These sentences are easy and help you start a conversation. You can also say, my favorite singer is, my favorite band is, my favorite song is. These simple sentences help you talk about your personal taste. 2. Talking about when you listen to music. Music is a part of daily life, so you can talk about when or where you listen to music. You can use sentences like, I listen to music in the morning. I listen to music before I sleep. I listen to music when I work or study. I listen to music when I feel sad. I listen to music when I feel happy. I listen to music when I travel. These sentences show how music fits into your daily routine. 3. Talking about why you like music. You can share your feelings about music using simple words. For example, music makes me happy. Music helps me relax. Music gives me energy. Music helps me focus. Music helps me feel calm. Music makes me feel better. These sentences express your emotions clearly and simply. If you want to sound a little more detailed, you can say, I like this song because it has a nice beat. I like this singer because their voice is beautiful. I like this music because it helps me think. 4. Talking about musical instruments. If you want to talk about instruments, you can use sentences like, I can play the guitar. I can play the piano. I can play the drums. I want to learn the violin. I want to learn how to play the guitar. I like listening to piano music. These sentences are useful when you want to talk about your skills or your interests. 5. Talking about going to concerts. You can also talk about concerts or live music. Here are simple sentences you can use. I went to a concert last week. I like going to concerts. The music was loud and exciting. The singer was amazing. The audience was full of energy. It was a great experience. These sentences help you describe events in the past. 6. Asking someone about their music taste. If you want to ask someone about music, you can use simple questions such as, what kind of music do you like? Who is your favorite singer? What is your favorite song? Do you play any instruments? Do you like going to concerts? When do you listen to music? These questions help you start friendly conversations in English. 7. Use music to improve your English. Music is not only something you enjoy. It can also help you learn English. You can listen to English songs, read the lyrics, and learn new words. You can repeat the lines and practice pronunciation. Music makes learning fun, and it helps you remember new words faster. If you enjoy music, it can be a powerful tool for your English practice. Conclusion. Thank you for watching today's lesson on Word Journey. I hope this video helped you learn how to talk about music in simple and easy English. Music is something we all love, and now you can speak about it with confidence. If you enjoyed this video and want more helpful English lessons, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps the channel grow and helps more learners around the world. I will see you in the next lesson.